What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So just a little while ago, Apple released iOS 26.3 to the public with a build number of 23D127. Now, having said that, this update did focus heavily on security fixes, but it seems to have brought along some quirks and bugs for some users as well that makes a follow-up release in the form of iOS 26.3.1 very likely, and it does seem imminent at this point. Since Apple typically releases minor point updates to address things like stability and compatibility problems soon after a big update, we can definitely expect this dropping very soon. It is definitely imminent. It is in the Mac Rumor logs, as they always post, and I just wanted to let you guys know about that. But before we talk about what iOS 26.3.1 might fix, let's quickly recap what 26.3 brought. This release patched dozens of critical security vulnerabilities, including fixes for issues that could let attackers run harmful code or leak sensitive information. Security sites are recommended everyone to install immediately, so any of those security updates, make sure you hop on those as soon as you can to keep iOS up to date. The caveat to that is, anytime there's major releases, sometimes it's worth waiting simply because, well, Apple's software rollouts have had issues recently and definitely bugs are discovered. And again, this is a perfect example for that. Some fixes were particularly important in 26.3, including closing a zero-day vulnerability in the dynamic link editor that could exploit change used by spywares and addressing other kernel, WebKit, and Bluetooth vulnerabilities. But even beyond that, let's talk about what day-to-day users really were experiencing. There were questions and concerns over wallpaper randomly turning black. Bluetooth had audio stutters from time to time, which I actually experienced even with my AirPods Pro 3s. The video playback would hang up or show a black image specifically when you went picture-in-picture and had a YouTube video playing, it would just not show. The audio would continue playing, but nothing else. There were some other graphic glitches that were just kind of weird. The Pro Motion display sometimes lagged behind. Wi-Fi instability kept coming back to the forefront, and then weirdly, Spotlight and UI oddities existed as well. When you'd pull down to get to that Spotlight, you would just not see what you normally would expect, and it just wouldn't go away. So it's very weird. I'm not sure what's going on, but hopefully that will be fixed in 26.3.1. So what we're expecting in here, in addition to what we talked about, is hopefully bug repairs for glitches that we were seeing, better stability improvements, that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reliability fixes, especially with how many devices connect to these on the daily, and then performance smoothing and additional security patches. As you guys are probably well aware at this point, dot releases or double point releases don't usually bring new features, but instead clean up errors and user complaints from the prior build. As you're probably aware at this point, iOS 27 is the next major OS drop, coming in June for developers and in September for regular iPhone users. That is what we can expect for a lot of cleanup this year. They're supposedly focusing more on cleaning up the code, and issues like this are reasons why they're going to do that. So more importantly also now is, when will it arrive? While there's no official release date yet, historically, Apple pushes 3 small updates fairly quickly, sometimes within a couple of weeks on the main release. So, having said that, let's talk about when we can expect this. So it's already the end of February, today's the 23rd, and possibly shortly after this video goes live, today could be the first drop for this build. In addition to that, it could come anytime between this week and possibly the 9th, since on March 2nd, we're anticipating getting iOS 26.4 Beta 2, and that'll put us right in that 2-week cycle for the first betas of new releases. But in between Beta 4's release, 26.4 beta release cycle, that is when this update will drop. And again, it is more imminent than not, since we're seeing it pop up in logs and all these issues are still being reported. So if you're running 26.3 right now, let me know in the comments, what problems are you seeing? And if you haven't updated yet, would you just wait for 26.3.1? Let me know. I'm very curious. Again, I haven't had a massive amount of issues personally with this, but it is on my Air here that I don't use as my daily driver. I usually do use my 17 Pro Max a little more heavily. So yeah, let me know. These are just my quick takeaways. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.